America, and together we soared into a new golden dawn!
Keep going.
Stop! We designated the Starlighters a terrorist organization. Other people proudly serving in the armed forces thanks to the new chairman of the Joint Chiefs, General Mayhem. Vietnam is up 21%. G-Men Days Past from the Future has grossed over $2 billion. And do not get me started on the EBITDA margins. But all of this the most important truth. This is a safer, more God-fearing nation! Our nation! Yes! Yes! Just what that little bitch Starlight tried to do on our southern border.
Got it.
Is there no depth to what that little hole...
Homelander and Queen Maeve. Oh God, they're leaving us.
Take these two!
No.
Just these two!
No,
please.
what? So they could tell the world that we left the rest of them to fucking die?
Come on!
No, Maeve. No, you stay back. All of you, stay back. You stay the fuck back or I'll laser you, goddammit! I'll laser every fucking one of you!